Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2, 16th of March 2021 question. Question number 8. If a point 1, minus 1, 2 is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 0, 3, 1 on the line x minus a by L, y minus 2 by 3, z minus b by 4, then the shortened distance between the line and the shortest distance between this line and the line. This is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of 3D geometry. So at first line is given, some parameters we should calculate, then we calculate the shortest distance between this and this line. So at first the line is given, that is x minus a by L is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus b by 4. So direction ratio, let this is the line L1 and here is the point P. So this one is 0, 3, 1 and this is the point Q. Here is the point Q. So this is 1, minus 1, 2. So now PQ's direction ratio is equal to, so PQ's direction ratio is equal to 1, minus 4, 1, and we know PQ perpendicular to L1. So L1 is this line, so PQ perpendicular to L1. So now L minus 12 plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies L is equal to 8. So putting this value in this equation, so here we get 1 minus, and this is satisfied the point Q. So 1 minus a by 8 is equal to 4 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 minus b by 4. Here we get a is equal to, after calculation we get that a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 6. So these are the 2 points, these are the 2 parameters we should we get the value. Now L1, line L1 become x minus 9 by 8 is equal to y minus 2 by 3, that and is equal to z minus 6 by 4, and L2 is given, that is L2 is given, that is this line. So L2 is equal to x minus 1 divide 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 4, and that is equal to z minus 3 by 5. So from these 2 line we get R1 is equal to A1 plus lambda B1, and R2 is equal to A2 plus lambda R2 is equal to A2 plus lambda B2. So the shortest distance is equal to, we know shortest distance is equal to, from definition we write it is modulus of A1 minus A2 in the vector form, its whole square plus into B1 B2 divide mod of B1 cross B2. So this is the definition of shortest distance. Now now a1 minus a2 is equal to what? A1 minus a2 is equal to, we know it is a1 a2, that is equal to 8 I cap 8 I cap plus 3 k cap and b1 cross b2 cross b2. So b1 cross b2 is equal to what? It is, if it is transform the two line in vector form, so it is I cap j cap k cap, and it become 8 3 4 and 3 4 5. So after solving this, here we get this is minus I cap minus 28 j cap plus 23 k cap. So these are the two unknown things. So we putting this one. So now SD is equal to mod minus 8 plus 69 divide root over of 1 square plus 28 square plus 23 square plus 23 square. So after calculating, a mod is given and distance is always positive. So when we eliminated mod, it get positive, and we get this is 61 divide root over 1314. So we reached, this is our required solution. Calculate our shortest distance, and our option is option 4 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 8. Now moving to the question 9. So question 9 tells us a group is given, group A and group B is given, a number of elements, that is mean is given here, group A 10, group B 9, and mean are given and variance is given. The combination of the variance of the group is this, then the value of n, we should calculate the value of n. So for first group, so this is the question in the house of mean median, and question is in the 16th of March 2021, shift to JMN, and it's also a memory based question. So first group mean, so mean is equal to x bar, so that is equal to mod of summation of xi by n is equal to group 1. So calculating this x1 certain, it become xi, that is equal to 20, it is equation 1. Now variance is equal to x bar square, so that is equal to summation xi square by n minus summation xi by n whole square, so that is equal to summation xi square by 10 minus 4, that is equal to 2. As it is 20, so here we get that is equal to 2, and variance is equal to given 2. First group variance 2, so 2 is given, so that implies xi square is equal to what? Xi square is equal to 60. So this is equation 2. So x bar is calculated by us, that is 20, and xi square is equal to summation xi is equal to 20 and summation xi square is equal to 60. So the second group, similarly, second group we calculate in the second group we calculate mean is equal to x bar, y bar. First we suppose that is x mean, and now it is y bar. So y bar is equal to what? Y bar is equal to summation yi by n. So that is equal to summation yi is equal to 3n. We may write when we it is implies, sign is implies. So yi is equal to 3n. So now variance is equal to what? Variance is equal to y bar square. So it is yi by n, it is square, minus summation yi by n whole square, it is given 1. So now summation yi square is equal to 10n. As we know, the number of elements is 10, so it is 10n. Now the combination is given, combined variance is given, that is 17 by 9. Combined variance is equal to 17 by 9 is given here. So combined variance is given here, combined variance is equal to 17 by 9. And when we combine each other, these two variants, so we get 60 plus 10n divide 10 plus n minus 20 plus 3n by 10 plus n, its square. So after calculating this, it is 17 by n, 17 by 9. 17 by 9 is given, it is 17 by 9. So after calculating this one, we get the values is 2n plus 5 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. So here we get two values of n, that is n is equal to either minus 5 by 2 or 5. But n must be positive, as because the elements number of elements, so therefore the value of n is equal to 5. So we reached, this is our required solution. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.